name is Simon, and today we are going to speak about what you should know before starting any automated strategy. So let's get to it. So the first point we're going to talk about is how to read the data of an automated strategy on TradingView. The second point is avoiding overfitted strategy by any cost. It's very important to avoid this overfitted strategy and to detect them. The third point is how to detect and avoid repainting strategies. Fourth point is how to link your strategy to a bot. And finally, what do you need to look for a good strategy with potential good outcome in the market? So let's go. Let me remind you that this is not a financial advice and any trades are took on your own risk. Okay, so how to read the data on TradingView. This is the golden code. The chart I'm using on TradingView is 15-minute BTC USDT from Binance. What you should be looking for is mostly the profit factor. If it's under 1.5, I wouldn't recommend to use any trading strategy under 1.5 profit factor. Basically, if you put €1 in the market, how much you get in return. So how to know if this is an overfitted strategy? So you should absolutely use the new amazing function from the deep history of TradingView to filter good and bad strategies. When you use it, first, one really big thing you should know about how to read the data and avoid overfitted strategies is when there is multi-take profit, it will increase the total closed trades and fake the percentage profitable. So you should be sure that there is only one take profit on the strategy to start looking the data. For example, when you do here the deep history with the golden code, we can see that the max drawdown is 32% on the total list of trades, which start September 2019, more than 3 years. What we're gonna see is there is 916 trades, which are only one trade in one direction. There is no multi-take profit in this chart. For more than 3 years, there is, say, 70,000 profit over time, including the fees, which are 0.05. 61% win rate profitable with the ratio of 1.3. There's 32% drawdown, and profit factor is 1.62, which is basically what we got in the last period of chart, 1.63. The next tip is how to avoid repainting strategies. This is very simple. I advise just to do a replay on the strategies, to launch the replay and wait. If the final data are the same than the one you see on the chart, it will mean that the replay is working and the TradingView is calculating well the outcomes. Don't face repainted strategies. This needs a bit of patience. So here, when the replay is finished, that the results are exactly the same. So there is no repainted. As a middleman and a bot, we use Finandy. What's good with Finandy is that plays directly limit order and TP order in the exchange and can enter the trade with the amount you set for your risk management code into golden code strategy. So how does it work? Pretty simple. You link your Finandy to your Binance account, create a hook. Everything you say and do on the tabs will be written in a code here, and you just need to copy paste this code, go on your TradingView account, build an alert, copy paste the message with the link of the hook, and that will do the alert. Don't forget before doing that to activate the live trade trading for quantity when you set your initial capitals. And with the initial capital set and the live trade gone, you can start from your initial capitals and calculate your risk management all the way to the trade to risk only 3% of your account. Also, guys, please, if you want to use any live strategy, try to use a strategy with someone that live itself his own strategies and share the results. Because main of the coders that will send you strategies, they want you to buy the strategies and buy their indicators, but in fact they never use it live and they don't share their results. So this is a proof of trust, and I have all my results live on Telegram. All the trades are taking lives, and I'm not shy to share you what are the results we got directly on Finandy. So if you want to join us, please just go in the Patreon links and the Discord, and I will be happy to welcome you in the community. See you, bye!